The TX9 family is Taurus's next move in the evolution of the TX platform. A new modular system built around a serialized stainless steel fire control system. One core mechanism, 3 sizes: full, compact, subcompact. Each one shares the same internal architecture, so the trigger, the brake, and the shot cycle feel the same across the entire line. The striker-fired trigger uses a falling block sear design. It gives you a clean break and a short, positive reset. It's built for shooters who actually pay attention to that detail. Every TX9 ships optics ready with the Taurus slide. The cut geometry matches existing mounting plates, so you aren't hunting for proprietary parts. You mount it, you zero it, you go. The grip module is polymer-based and fully modular. 4 interchangeable backstraps are included with every pistol, so you can set the grip to your hand instead of adapting to the gun. If you need to change the frame size later, the serialized fire control system drops right into the new grip. 1 point of compliance. Simple, practical. The controls give you what you expect from a duty-grade pistol. Ambidextrous slide release, reversible magazine release, accessory rail, forged steel slide with a gas nitride finish for durability. Each TX9 is assembled and quality checked in the United States. That's not marketing, it's the only way to maintain consistency across a platform built to run hard. Taurus tested the TX9 line to NATO durability and reliability standards. The gun is expected to take abuse and keep working in real-world conditions. Range, duty, daily carry, doesn't matter. Full size gives you maximum sight radius and stability. Compact offers a balanced footprint. Subcompact keeps things discreet without throwing away performance. No matter the size, the ergonomics and controls stay the same. You don't have to relearn the gun because you changed the model. And like every Taurus pistol, the TX9 family is backed by a limited lifetime warranty with US-based service support. The TX9 is a modular, optics-ready, duty-ready system built to perform when it matters. That's the platform. That's the point.